And we decided that it's a good strategy now to promote our services, online services, worldwide. One more thing about our plans. This year, because of this, it's very interesting because there are so different situations in different countries in the world. And what I noticed, it's almost impossible to predict what happens. Some countries, they close their borders and you cannot travel in there. Some countries go up, some they go down. And we decided that it's a good strategy now to promote our services, online services worldwide. Because it's really very hard to focus only on one country. In this situation, you depend on this economical situation in the country, mentality, or some other circumstances. And this is why we decided to promote our services online. And we're going to deal with Asia, with Australia, with Latin America, Brazil, and China, and also with China, it's easier because we also already have everything in Chinese, everything is translated. With other countries, it's more challenging because we can deal only with people who speak English. So we go online and we go worldwide this year. This is one of the key points of our expansion.